Canada, a land of quiet strength and endless horizons. I came here to meet a woman whose story touched my heart, Liana. A proud mother of 2 boys, her eldest on the autism spectrum, taught her new language of love, one built on patience, strength, and pure emotion. Her youngest feels their home with laughter and dreams. But behind her warm smile lives a story of survival. Liana has faced cancer and won. She has walked through pain, fire, and uncertainty, and came back with a fire to live, to dance, to love herself again.
We don't know what can happen with us, and I find out I have breast cancer, 3rd stage. It already went up to my hands and etc., my lymph nodes, and pandemic happened. My immune system was very low. I lost all my hair, chemotherapy, surgeries, radiation, everything. On the same time, I'm like, I have already this problem. Why I have to give up and be sad, mad that I have this luck? Why? No, let's find good things about that. And it was summertime, I find out it's so comfortable not to have hair, it's not hot, and you don't have that, you don't have to, get rid of hair.
Despite all the challenges life has placed before her, Liana never gave up. She invited me into her world at a time when her spirit is ready for renewal, when her heart is open to change. This is her season of awakening, a moment to rediscover the woman within the one who has always been strong, bright, and full of light.
Sophie, what do you think?
Oh my God, again black? No! Today she stands as a devoted mother, a successful real estate agent, and a woman reclaiming her confidence and beauty. I came here not just to witness her transformation, but to help her feel it, admit it, and celebrate the power of the woman she's becoming. We are going for powerful, feminine, and bold, just like her spirit.
Already my kids are old enough. My younger one is 6 years old. My older one is 9 years old. They are enough independent. And I already fight my cancer. And I am already enjoying my new profession and helping people. I need to transform and find myself, which I lost a little bit, my girly part. And I really, really hope you will help me.
And how did you find me?
Did I find you? So I was, trying to find myself, style or something in YouTube, in Instagram. And finally in Instagram I found a beautiful girl. And she's doing this transformation, this great program. I was so excited and I feel so happy. And I'm like, oh my God, maybe I should write her. Let's risk. I don't know if she will answer or no, but here you are.
Exactly, here I am. My mission is to reveal not only Liana's powerful fighting spirit, but also that quiet radiant beauty she carries within, the light that has always been there, even through her darkest days. Would you like open chest dresses?
To be honest, I don't feel too comfortable.
Why?
Because of all surgeries, even though I have reconstruction, but I am still very sensitive, but it's nice. I like this. It's covering everything what it has to cover, but also it's showing what I want to show, Thank you.
Great! So, okay, let's try next one. So, how do you feel with this style?
Oh my God, I don't know. It's risky, but I'm excited.
Trust me.
I enjoy today. I kind of, it's like therapy, you know, for girls.
I know, shopping is the best therapy.
I hope, I don't know, I will have time after you. It will not be only the time that I enjoy. And you make it so easy, not boring and not difficult. Sometimes I confuse how to match different colors. And you make it so easy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sophie.
You have been through so much. Do you remember the moment that you looked in the mirror and didn't recognize yourself?
I don't think so anyone is ready for that, to be honest. It's like very surprise punch on your face, you know, because I am healthy person and I was young, 40 years old, and I was active. I don't have bad habits. I don't smoke. I don't drink. And surprisingly, this happening, and you have two small kids, you have disabled child, they need you, they need their mom. They didn't deserve to grow up without mom. I'm not crier, to be honest, but I kind of fall down, you know, I break down when I hear it. I cry, but I cry twice when I hear about that in clinic, and when my hair fell down and I decided to shave it because I had so long hair. I saw myself in the mirror and I thought, no, I cancer. I'm not going to give my smile to you. I'm not going to you know, give up. I'm not going to give up. That's it. I'm going to fight. And I decided just to smile and go forward and be happy. And thanks God, it was not too bad.
So, we are going to change your hair color today. Are you ready?
Okay.
Давай. She doesn't know it yet, but she's about to meet herself again. So, Liana, what do you think?
I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you both. Come, I will hug you.
See you.
Thank you. What do you think, Sofa? Which color I should choose?
I think let's try the golden one.
Oh, yeah, why not? This one?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And now it's time for a big reveal. Liana's transformation will first be seen by the two people who mean the world for her, her children and her beloved husband. Her family has always been her greatest support, standing by her through every challenge and every victory. When her look was finally complete, something truly magical happened. We had chosen a color she had secretly loved for years, but never dared to wear, because her husband didn't like it. But when he saw her that day, standing in front of him, bright and confident in that very color, he was speechless. He saw not just her beauty, but the woman she had always been, strong and alive. That moment was unforgettable, because true transformation is not about changing who you are. It's about revealing the best of what has always lived within you. And when the people you love finally see that light, everything changes. What do you advise for all women?
Main thing, I advise never give up to yourself. Be happy and find your peace inside.
This was one of my most unforgettable journeys. Do you want to be my next hero? I'm just a call away. With Sofi's touch, transformation is always within reach. Our style just have to show it. Like, follow, and share. If you believe that every woman deserves to feel powerful in her skin,